What is quantum mechanics explained simply? Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the world we see? What happens inside an atom? Or how particles behave when no one's watching? Welcome to the world of quantum mechanics, the science that explains the strange and fascinating behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales. In the quantum world, particles like electrons and photons behave both like particles and waves. This is called wave-particle duality. The famous double-slit experiment shows this beautifully. When electrons are fired through two slits, they create an interference pattern, like waves. But when we observe them closely, they act like individual particles. This means observation affects reality. Next is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It says we can't know both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time with perfect accuracy. The more precisely we know where a particle is, the less precisely we know how fast it's moving, and vice versa. This isn't just a measurement problem, it's a fundamental property of nature. Another fascinating idea is superposition. Quantum particles can exist in multiple states at once, until they're observed. Think of Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat is both alive and dead at the same time, until someone checks. In the quantum world, a particle can be in all possible positions or energies simultaneously, but the moment we observe it, it collapses into one state. Quantum mechanics also brings us entanglement. When two particles become entangled, their states are connected, no matter how far apart they are. If you measure one particle, the state of the other is instantly known, even if it's on the other side of the galaxy. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. You might be wondering, why should I care? Well, quantum mechanics powers our modern world. It explains how atoms bond and form molecules. It's the foundation of semiconductors, which run our computers and smartphones. It's behind technologies like lasers, MRI machines, and even quantum computers. Today, scientists are exploring the second quantum revolution, developing technologies like quantum computing, which can solve complex problems in seconds, quantum encryption for unbreakable security, quantum teleportation and quantum internet, which could change communication forever. Quantum mechanics challenges our understanding of reality. It teaches us that the universe is not as solid and certain as it seems. At the smallest scales, it's full of possibilities, probabilities, and wonder. So next time you look at your phone, remember, you're holding a tiny piece of quantum magic in your hand. Subscribe for more science made simple.